The Camanche Police Department has announced a partnership with Flock Safety to place automatic license plate reading devices in different areas of the city. Now, the readers, that is, are cameras that scan license plates of cars driving by, similar to red light cameras you would see at a busy intersection, and they will help police track Amber Alerts and known felonies. One heartbreaking case sparked the conversation for the city, which ultimately led to this investment. Local 4's Blake Hornstein joins us live in the newsroom with more on that case. Blake.
Yes, Kennedy. Today I spoke with the Camanche City Administrator, and he told me without a shadow of a doubt the murder of 10-year-old Breasia Terrell 2 years ago was the reason why. Henry Dinkins was a registered sex offender and drove through Camanche on his way to a pond in Clinton County. With this technology, the city administrator believes he would have been caught and arrested that night.
It was gut-wrenching. This is not an expensive system to run, and if we could have been of assistance to be able to help track what was going on and figure that out a lot quicker than sending people out to the marshes to try and find that poor little girl, this would be money much better spent.
Kita says the readers will be installed within the next 30 days at 4 major intersections, primarily off of Highway 67 and the Washington Boulevard Exchange. Live in the newsroom, Blake Hornstein, Local 4 News.